Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to the fourth installment of the mini-series called Crafting at the Lake House. In case we haven't met before, my name is Susanne Netz and I blog at sunstampin.com. I'm a Western Canadian Stampin' Up! Demonstrator and I conduct most of my Stampin' Up! Business online, except for these Lake House events that I facilitate 3 times a year with my friend Terry Hamilton. The card designs in this mini-series are of the 12 make and takes that our attendees participated in. I hope you have fun watching the how-to videos and get inspired to create your own works of art. Of course, all the products used in the demonstrations today are linked below in the description box for easy access to the online store. For today's card design, we are featuring the stamp set Wild and Sweet. We're also going to do some coloring. There's a frame there from the Fabulous Frames die set. And let's get started. I am inking up them with Memento Tuxedo Black ink, the Panda, a little slip there, whoopsie. And this is one of those, I think, a distinctive stamp set, so it's really highly detailed. It works with like when your ink pad is the correct amount of juiciness. So too dry, it doesn't stamp well. Too moist, it doesn't stamp well. There's a happy medium. So I did ink up my stamp very, very well, and I'm giving it plenty of time for the ink to transfer to the paper. And that is just basic white paper. There's also a little sentiment label here. I think it's from the Fabulous Frames die set. I'm not 100% sure. This card design was created by my friend Terry. She loves coloring. So I think this is Granny Apple Green. It could be the new Parakeet Party. I'm not sure. I think it's a little too light for that. And I didn't write it down and I can't see through the, the video. So it's a green, let's say. So, and I have a funny feeling it's the Parakeet Party or Granny Apple Green. Anyway, doesn't matter. Nothing special with this coloring. Where I thought the shadows would be, I created a darker color and then I went in with the lighter color. I'm pretty sure this is soft suede. And you can see it takes a minute for the colors to blend. I have a non-porous surface, so hopefully the colors won't bleed. They'll just go straight through the paper and onto my non-porous surface, or my porous surface, I should say. And I was almost thinking about coloring this Panda Bear black, but I think it would remove too much of the detail. So I chose not to. I chose just to give a little bit of, I think it was the basic black light marker, just where the bear and his ears were the darkest. Okay, flipping that over using my favorite adhesive, which is Stampin' Seal Plus. I always say I have a love-hate relationship with this adhesive because it is very strong. It has a real nice tensile strength, but it's sometimes hard to get out of the container. So these are what I consider dimensional bones. These are the borders of the Stampin' Dimensionals. And basically what I did here was I coated the back of this frame. This is a Fabulous Frames die. It came in the package like we didn't have to cut it out. Terry was nice enough to die cut all of them. 25, can you imagine? And I really like this Fabulous Frames die set because it actually it's embossed somewhat, so it looks like a real frame. So I gotta say that's really cool. So that was the brand new in color called Parakeet Party. And we're just putting that on a basic white card base. Again, oh, I forgot to say that the stamp set came from a Campology stamp. Unfortunately, the Wild and Sweet stamp set does not have a sentiment to go with it. So that is the card for today. You can see all the supplies I used today listed below in the video see more section, or if you're watching on my blog, it is in the supply section. So Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.